all got a chat links in the chat box. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link. In case you have not enrolled yet for this batch, you can click on this payment process and you can join the classes. In case you want to know more in detail about this particular batch, you can click on this link, all batch details, and you will get to know. In case you have any further queries, always feel free to drop us an email on support@olympiadsuccess.com, or you can WhatsApp us on these two particular numbers. Right? I hope I'm clear to both of you. All right, good to know that Daksh favorite topic is algebra. So let's see what your mentor has planned for you. All right, so I think moving forward, I would like to invite your mentor. She's already here with us. Her name is Miss Gunjan. She's a wonderful mentor. She's into teaching profession since so long, and she are teaching kids for Olympiads quite so far now. And she loved to interact kids like you. So all over to you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, how are you? Hello Yashwant, hello Daksh. Okay, can you see me? Daksh, are you there? Okay, yes, okay. So I found that Daksh has favorite topic as algebra, and today it's a good thing for Daksh that we are taking a demo on algebra only. So it will be good. What about you, Yashwant? Do you like algebra? Okay, yes. So it's good that both of you like the topic. So I know that Pooja man rightly said that you people already gone through the whole chapters and you know how to solve the questions. Now the thing is how you will practice it. Okay. Now you know how to solve using the long method that you use in your schools. But now what you have to do for level 2, you have to eliminate the options. You have to read from the options that what you can eliminate and what can be the possible answer. Basically, we will work on your time management, right? And you already know that all the 50 questions will be based on your maths only. There will be no mental ability or logical reasoning questions here. Okay, in level 1, you were getting from 1 to 15, you were getting from mental ability. But now you are getting all 50 questions only from the math subject. Okay, and there will be questions like statement based, some fill in the blanks, some match the columns, which are true, which are false. So basically, you have to eradicate those options also that cannot be possible. Okay, and there will be mixed questions also from 2 or 3 chapters. For example, ratio and proportion can be asked in data handling manner, or mensuration they can give you questions based on ratio proportion, like length and breadth are in the ratio, like that. So there will be mixed chapters, and you have to basically understand what the question is asking. Okay, so in this session, in this 20 sessions we are going to cover, we have to do more and more practice. Okay, anything that you want to ask? Right now you are on mute, but in class you will be able to communicate with me and you have to give the answer, you have to respond. Okay, is there anything that you want to ask?
All right, so I think we'll take a QA later on. So let's start with the PPT. So Megha ma'am, can we have a PPT on the screen, please? So kids, I want you to be very, very attentive during the presentation because this will be very informative for you.
The PPT is visible to everyone. All right, so I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. This is demo interaction program for grade 6. Subject is mathematics. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its yearly program that includes courses which matters. We are having 8 courses, school press program, having mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grade 2 to grade 12. One-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, MathsCom, US Common Core Maths Competition, Maths Kangaroo, and PRMO. These are the rank holders. These are kids like you only. You need extra 2 hours from regular curriculum because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum activities. We have a live Olympiad session, having group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. We are having 3 sessions per week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. The session includes topic-wise wise quick revision and discussion on previous year level 2 question. You'll get reading material and practice question which will be available on the dashboard of OS platform. Students will get a free access to the Olympiad Success platform to practice a level 2 mock test for mathematics. Syllabus is available on this particular link and the fee of this course is rupees 4,500. It is a 20 session course and payment can be made by using this particular link. The fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year level 2 questions, access to Olympiad Success platform. What you require: a laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from January 16th, which is on Thursday. So in 2023-24, Olympiad Success has students more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. All right, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with you all and we will be going to move forward towards the dashboard. What you have to do, friends, you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com and you will be redirected on this page. So over here, you will be going to enter your email ID with which you have enrolled, right? So this is that user email ID. So I'm logging in from one of the dummy account. After logging in, you'll get a profile details on your screen. Check it in case you find any error, you can just update it over here. Moving forward, you have to click on worksheet button, which is right after the dashboard icon. Select your subject for which particular subject you want to do the worksheets. And here you can see the number of worksheets are there. So I'll be going to show you how you can attempt your worksheet. So let's click on first worksheet. Click on take exam. Read the instructions carefully. Click on this tick box and start worksheet. So you can see there are 50 questions in a worksheet for your practice, right? So this will be ample practice for you. So read your question carefully, solve it, and then select your answer. So I'll be going to select answer randomly. So let's say if any of the question you have doubt, you are now going to spend a lot of time on any particular question, of course, right? Because this you need to manage your time accordingly, that your time should not be wasted. So what you can do is you can select and mark for review on particular question and you can move on next, right? In this case, what will happen? Your question will not marked unattendedly, okay, while submitting your worksheet. Finish. Yes, I've reviewed all the questions. So the best part of our platform is you can parallelly check your performance, how you have performed in the worksheet, so that you can give a more practice to you on a particular topic. Select your subject and you can check the date. So on 13th, I have attempted this worksheet. Click on view button. And you can see that how many questions are correct and how many are wrong. So the best part is you'll get to know which is the correct answer and which was your answer. So my answer was B, the correct answer is D. Explanation is also given. So second answer. Third, see, you can see I have not attempted, I have left it unattended. So your answer not attempted will come, okay? My fourth answer was correct. So this is how you can practice more and more worksheets, right? So this is all about dashboard. So now we are open for the Q round. If anybody is having any doubt related to the course or class days, timings, anything, please feel free to drop it in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your queries. Otherwise, we will be going to move forward with your demo. And yes, I wanted to clear once again, your class days it will be 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, and timing will be 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. Okay, it will not be 3 sessions per week. Clear? Anybody, any doubt? Show me thumbs up if we should begin with the demo. Daksh and Yashwant, shall we begin with the demo? All right, I think they are okay to go ahead. All over to you, Gunjan now.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. So before, as I already told you, that today we are going to cover the chapter that is your algebra. So first tell me what you understand by the term algebra. If you have to write it in the chat, why we use it, where, okay, give me any example, in any real life example where you have used algebra. Any real life example in which you have used algebra? Any simple example you can give. Think about it. Not so complicated. You people have already cleared level 1. You have read this chapter in your schools. Think about the questions or the scenario where you can use algebra. Algebra was introduced in class 6 only, right? Yes, write it fast. What happened? Yes, Daksh, on your camera, what happened? Okay, Pooja man. Yes, Daksh. No, Yashwant. Daksh, can you give me answer in while writing in chat? What can be the possible use where you can use algebra? In algebra, we have learned about what are known, what are unknown, right? What are unknown things? Yes, math 6. Okay, Daksh. So what is the different thing that we use in this chapter? Are we doing everything through numbers? Yes, Yashwant, variable. Yes. So why we use variable? In which cases we use variable? In which cases we use variable? Where we use variable? Yes, correct. So to represent unknown numbers or unknown things, not always numbers, when we don't have constant numbers, correct? So when we know something, so some values are known and some are unknown, right? So known things or unknown things. When we know something, that means any number that comes under constants. And the unknown things that we don't know are known as your variable. Now, what are some examples of constant? Can you give me constants? What are the examples of constants? Yes, any number. Constant means any number that are fixed, right? These are fixed numbers. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, that will not change. For example, 3 point or 22 by 7, that is the value of a 5. Okay. So any number that is not going to change. For example, if I say today, what is the date today? That is 13th January. Okay. 13th January, this is the fixed condition. This will not change that today's date will be 13th January. So this is a constant. Okay. Now, I worked on the day of your birthday. Now, this is a constant or a variable? I worked on the day of your birthday. Is it a constant or a variable? Daksh is saying constant. Yashwant, what do you think? Okay, Yashwant is saying variable. Okay, so why it is variable or why it is constant? Now I don't know what is your birthday, so that is not known to me, right? When anything that is not known, that is unknown, that is your variable. Okay, Yashwant, yes, it is correct, variable, because I don't know what is your birthday date. Okay, so when I don't know, then it is a variable. For example, now, which is your birthday? I don't know. So let it be X or Y, Z, any letter you can use. Okay. Any letter you can use in the place of variable. Okay. Now, if I say add 5 in my age. Add 5 in my age. So what will be the answer? It is a variable or a constant? Add 5 in my age, your teacher's age. Yes, Yashwant, correct. Do you know my age? No. Do you know your age? Now add 5 in your age. Add 5 in your age. Now next question is add 5 in your age. Yes, Yashwant, correct. Daksh, what will be the answer? Add 5 in your age. Yes, Yashwant, correct. Daksh, what will be the answer if I say add 5 in your age? Okay. Now, if I ask you add 5 in my age, so you don't know my age, so answer will be x plus 5 because this is unknown, right? Now, if I say what add 5 in your age, now you know your age, so let it be 11 or 12. Now, in that you are adding 5 and you are again getting a number. Okay, so this will be 16, this will be 17, again this is a number, so this is a constant. This will not change. Okay, so in algebra, what we do, we deal with the terms that are not known to us and let it be x, y, z or any variable. Okay, think about the conditions in which you don't know anything. You will let it be x and solve the things accordingly. Now, this is your variable and constant. Now, can you tell me how you add the variables? If I ask you what is 1 plus 1, then easily you can give me the answer that 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, if I ask you what is x plus x, then what is the answer? Yashwant, correct. Daksh, correct. Now, if I ask you what is x plus 3x plus 5x, can you give me the answer about this? Okay, Yashwant. Okay, there is an option in the chat that you are giving your answers to everyone. Now you have to give the answer to me only. Okay, to Gunjan Jain. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, what if you are giving me answer? This is 2x and this is 9x. So what is this 2 and what is this 9? What is the term used for this? No, no, Yashwant. For x, this place is called, if I say 5x, 7x, 9x, so what is this 5, 7, 9 here for this? Correct, Yashwant, correct. Daksh, what is this value called? The first letter that we are writing before a variable, what we call this? This is called coefficient. Okay, this is called your coefficient. 5, 7, 9, these all are your coefficient, correct? So here coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of x is 9. Whenever we are adding or subtracting, we will change our coefficients. Clear? Okay. Now, what will be the answer of 3x minus 2x? 3x minus 2x. Correct, Yashwant. Daksh, what will be the answer of 3x? Correct. 3x minus 2x is what? Yes. So what you have to do, you have to change only the coefficient. So 3, if I say 3 apple minus 2 apple, then it will be how many apples left? 1 apple. So 3x minus 2x is 1x. 1x, you don't need to write 1 in the coefficient. You can write directly x. Okay. Now give me the answer. What is the answer of x into x? X into x. Yashwant, correct? Yes, Daksh, what is your answer? Yes, correct, Daksh. So when the answer is x square, what you have to do here, x is 1, here x is 1. Whenever we are doing multiplication or division, then we will change the power. Okay, so here power is 1, here it is 1. So basically both are added together. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have to change only the powers in case of, why I am not visible? Yashwant, am I not visible to you too? Okay, Yashwant is saying I am visible. Daksh, check your connection again. Okay, now see, x cube into x square. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? X cube into x square. Yes, Daksh, correct. Yashwant, what is your answer? So in this, you have to add the powers because x to the power m into x to the power n is always equals to x to the power m plus n. So we have to change the power. So how many x are there? 3 here, 2 here. So that means there are 5x. Okay, 3 plus 2, that is 5. And if I give you x cube upon x square, then what will be the answer? X cube upon x square. This one. Daksh, correct? Correct, Yashwant. Very good. So in division, what we do, xm upon xn is equals to x to the power m minus n. In division, we subtract. How it is possible? See, x into x into x. This is x into x. So basically, we are crossing 2x and we are getting only 1x here. Okay. So here you have to divide. Okay, so whenever we are adding or subtracting, you have to change the coefficient. Whenever we are doing multiplication and division, then you have to change the power. Okay, you will not change the coefficient here. So I got a quick review that you know these things. Now we are going to solve direct questions. Okay, we are going to solve direct questions that you are able to solve this or not. Okay. Yes. This is the first question. Here you have to tell me which of the following equations has x equal to 2 as a solution. Now, what do you mean by this solution? Solution means when you put x equal to 2 in this place, your left hand side and right hand side become equal. Daksh correct. Yashwant correct. Okay. Now what you have done here in this question, this question is given to you. Either what you can do, put x equal to 2 in the place of x and solve. Are you getting 40? Okay. Suppose if I write 2 here in place of x, then what will be the answer? Okay. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 plus this is what? 2 plus 5 is 7. 6 plus 14, which is equals to 20. So this and this are not equal. So we can say that x is not the solution. X equal to 2 is not a solution of this equation. Now, if you see directly C, then if you put 2 in place of x, then what you will get? 6 plus 9 equal to 15. So that means LHS is equals to RHS when you take x equal to 2. So this is the solution of the equation. Okay, you can do like this, or you can solve and see, are you getting x equal to 2? For example, if I open this 8x, now it will be solved using distributive property. 2 is multiplied with both the numbers. So 2x minus 4 is equals to 35 minus 3x. Now how many x are there here? 10x minus 4 is equals to 35 minus 3x. Now what we will do? We will bring all the x together and all the numbers together. So minus 3x, when it comes to this side, it will be reciprocal. Sorry. That means it is the opposite. Minus 3x becomes plus 3x. 10x plus 3x. And you will take number to this side. So this is 35 minus 4 will become plus 4. 13x is equals to 39. That means 13x equal to 39. That means 39 by 13 equal to 3. So here we are not getting equal to 2. So that means it is not the solution. This is how you will solve the options. Okay. Now let's do second question. Any doubt in this question? Both ways you can try. Okay. Okay. Will you try this question? The ratio of number of boys and girls in a school with 504 students is 13 is to 11. Find the number of girls in the school. Yes, correct, Yashwant. Yes, so here the boys and girls ratio is given. Ratio is given. This is not equal to 13 boys or 11 girls. Okay, boys is to girls is 13 is to 11. So let it be boys are 13x and girls are 11x. So if this is given total number of students, that means boys plus girls total are 504. How many boys are there? 13x. How many girls are there? 11x. That is equals to 504. 13x and 11x, that is equals to 24x equal to 504. Yes, that's also correct. So x is equal to what we are getting? Value of x? 504 divided by 24. What you are getting? 21? Yes, correct. 21. So here we have to find only number of girls, and we have taken girls as 11x. That is equals to 11 into 21, which is 231. Okay, correct. Very good. Okay. Now, next question. Now here two concepts are again used. Ratio has been used, perimeter is used, and you will solve using algebra. So 3 chapters are used at a time. Okay, Yashwant. Okay, both of you are getting D. Let's check. So here 3 sides are there. One is 2x, one is 3x, and one is 4x. Perimeter, we know that it is the sum of all the sides. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 54. Now total is 9x is equals to 54, or x is equals to 54 by 9. So what is the answer of x you are getting? 9 6 are 54. So x is 6, correct. Now we have to find only the largest side. So largest side will be only 4x. So 4x is equals to 6 into 4, that is equals to 24. So 24 is the largest side. Very good. Next question. Yes. Yes, correct. Yashwant and Daksh, correct. Now the question is what you will subtract from this number. Basically, most of the students do incorrect here, that 8x plus 2y, what you have to subtract, that they confused, that they have to write it first or not. So from this, you have to write this statement, this algebraic expression first. Now let t be subtracted from it, and what you will get? 5x plus 6y minus 5. Now I need plus t, not minus t. So I have to take minus t to that side to make it positive. So when I take it t there and all the numbers to this side, so 8x minus 5x, take y to other side, then it will be plus 2y minus 6y minus 15. When I take minus 5 to other side, it will become plus 5. Okay, 8x minus 5x is 3x. 2y minus 6y, this is minus 4y because negative number is greater. Minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. So I need this t as 3x minus 4y minus 10. Okay, correct. Next. Yes, evaluate the expression. Many questions comes like this. You have to put the value and get what value you are getting after putting in the statement in this expression. 56 minus p in the bracket q plus r. Okay, now let me give you the options. Yashwant, correct? Daksh, correct. Yes. So Q plus R, 56 minus PQ plus R. In place of PQR, you will substitute the value. P is 3 here, 4.2 plus 5.1, which is 9.3. 3 into 9.3, 56 minus this. First, you will solve this and you will get the answer as 28.1. Okay. Oh, okay. Next. Yes, subtract minus 8x plus 7y plus 3x, 3y minus 2 from this. So first you will solve these expression. Okay, you will simplify it. Open it, distributive property, and then subtract. Okay, Daksh. Yashwant, have you got the answer? Okay, okay, Yashwant. So see, first what we will do, we will expand this. Okay, so let's expand this. So it will be 4y minus 2x is multiplied with both the numbers. So it will be 2 3s are, numbers are multiplied together. 2 3s are 6, x into y, that is xy, minus 2x is multiplied with 3. So that means when we multiply 3 2s are 6x. Okay, so it is this. Now subtract what? Now we will expand this also. So we are getting minus 8x plus 7y. 3x is multiplied with inside number, so 3 3s are 9xy, and minus 3 2s are 6x. So you have to solve this also. Minus 8x and minus 6x, they are like terms. 8 and 6, that will be minus 14 plus 9xy. So this is the first term. Now from this term, you have to subtract this. Okay. So this term is 4y minus 6xy minus 6x. From this term, you have to subtract the previous term. This is what? Minus 14x plus 7y plus 9xy. Okay, now we will open the bracket. Now this is 4y minus 6xy minus 6x, open the bracket. When there is minus before any bracket, all will change the sign. So minus minus will become plus 14x minus 7y minus 9xy. So how many y are there? 4y minus 7y. So total are minus 3y. Now minus 6xy minus 9xy. So answer is minus 15xy. Now minus 6x plus 14x. How many x are there? Plus 8x. Which option is correct now? Plus 8x minus 3y, 8x minus 3y minus 15xy. So answer is B. Okay. Any doubt now? What you have to do? Clear? Yashwant? Okay. Next question. 12 less than a number equals to 1/5. What is the number? Now what number? We don't know. Let it be x. 12 less than a number equals to its 1/5. Equals to 1/5. Now check the options. Yes, Daksh correct. Yashwant correct. Yes. So what equation you have framed? Can you tell me? Can you write it in the chat? Let me check that you are correct or not. What equation you have framed for this? Write it in the chat. What equation you have framed? 12 less than a number. Yes, Daksh correct. Yes, both of you correct. Less than a number, which number we don't know, let it be x. So 12 less than x, so x minus 12 equals to 1/5. So this is 1/5. Now what you will do, 1/5 plus 12 you will do, and you will get 61/5 after addition. This is equals to 12.2. A, correct. Next. Think of a number. Which number? X. Add 3 to it. Then multiply the sum by 7. The result is 1/3 of 63. What is the number? Yashwant correct. Daksh correct. Yes. Think of a number, so let it be x. Add 3 to it, so x plus 3. Then multiply this sum with 7. What you will get? The result is 1/3 of 63. 1/3 of 63 is what? 21. So what you will do now? X plus 3 into 7. What you can do? Directly bring this into 7 to this side. Into will become division. So x plus 3 is equals to 21 divided by 7, which is equal to 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 3. That means x is equals to 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Have you used the same method? Or you can try from the options also, from which number you will get 21. Okay. Okay, next. First multiply by 4 with the bracket and then solve. Now I'm giving you options also so that you can eradicate some options, which is definitely not the answer. Which is definitely not the answer by first seeing this. Yashwant, you are saying D is definitely not the answer. Okay, very good. Because it is having 7y and y square. And we know that our terms can be x square, xy and y square. Only y cannot be possible. If you see only x square, then what is the answer? If you see only x square, if you have to solve only x square. You have already eliminated b. If you see only x square, then what is the answer? What cannot be the answer? Eliminate one more option. Only x square. 4 is multiplied with x square minus 3x square. Okay, D cannot be answered because 4x square minus 3x square is x square only. Okay, so this is also not the correct answer. Now if I see only y square, now see only y square. So 4y square minus y square. So answer is 3y square. Okay, so here 3y square is given only in C. Right? Now just a cross check, you can check 2xy also. Minus 2xy and this minus is multiplied with this. So it will be plus xy. Sorry, 3 is there. Wait. This will be 8. Okay, 4 is multiplied with this. So 4 2s are 8xy minus xy. Answer is minus 7xy. So answer is C correct. Got it? How to eliminate some options? Yes, next. Okay, you can start from the options also. If you are taking 8, first option 8 as year of Deepak age, then what will be the age of his mother? If it is 8, from this, what will be the age of her mother, of his mother? Okay, so it will be 8 threes are 24 because we can say it is 1/3, or we can say that mother is thrice of Deepak's age. Yes, 24. Now after 4 years ago, if we have to cross check this age, 4 years ago, what will be the age 4 years ago? 4 years ago. That means you have to subtract 4 from it. 8 minus 4 and 24 minus 4. This is equal to 4 and this is equal to 20. Is it coming 5 times? Mother age is coming 5 times. 4 into 5? Yes. So this is 20 only. Okay. So it is good that we are getting our answer on the option A only. Otherwise, you can do by equation method also. Or this is the method which we have used using options. Okay. One line, one statement will be used to make the equation here, and second one will use to cross check it. Okay. Any doubt in this question, or should I tell you using equation also? Is it clear? Daksh, yes means is it clear? No doubt? Equation. Okay. Now, okay. So Deepak's present age is 1/3 of mother's present age. So let Deepak's age is X. Present age. Okay. Then his mother age will be, what will be the mother age? If we are taking Deepak age as X, then mother age will be 3X, right? X by 3. No. If you are taking X by 3 for mother age, then its value will be reduced. Okay. If you are taking X equal to 3, then 3 by 3 will be 1. Mother age cannot be less than that. Okay. So that means we have to multiply 3X here. Mother is thrice of Deepak's age. Now, if mother, now 4 years ago, what will be both age? 4 years ago. That means Deepak's age will be X minus 4 and mother's age will be 3X minus 4. In both we will subtract 4. Now it is given that it will be mother's age is 5 times of Deepak's age. Now in this place we will write the values that are 4 years ago. 3X minus 4 is 5 times of X minus 4. Now you have to solve this. So 3X minus 4 is equals to 5X minus 20. Now if I bring this 3X to this side, it will become 5X minus 3X and 20 to other side because I'm taking X there. So minus 4 plus 20. So this is 2X is equals to 16. Am I doing any mistake here? 2X is equals to X. Why I'm getting 8 here? Just wait. 8. Yes, correct. Answer is 8 only. I got confused. X is 8 and this is your answer. Okay. Now any doubt, Daksh? Okay. So these questions you are able to do. They are also your level 2 level questions. Okay, these are all your answers that are correct. Okay, so this is all from my side. Any doubts that you are having, you can ask me now. Any doubts, anything that you want to ask, or some strategy you want to use in the sessions? Are you able to get any doubt? Are you able to get what I was teaching you? Is it clear? If you are clear, then you can write clear or give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. So I'm ending the meeting here. I hope everything is clear and we will meet in the sessions. Okay. Bye everyone. And happy Lodi to you all. Okay. Bye.